Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. Let's take a look at this practice question. So here we have to work out the area of this trapezium. Now recall the formula for the area of a trapezium. It is 1/2 times a plus b times h. So a and b are the lengths of the parallel sides and h is the perpendicular height. So what we'll do now is we will identify the values from the diagram. In this case, a equals 11 centimeters, b equals 7 centimeters, and h, which is the perpendicular height, in this case is 6 centimeters. Now the next thing that we have to do is we have to substitute the values into the formula. So now we have area equals 1/2 times 11 plus 7 times 6. Now we can simplify this step by step. So we add the parallel sides. 11 plus 7 equals 18. So now we have 1/2 times 18 times 6. Now 18 times 6 is equal to 108. And if you multiply 108 by 1/2, or you divide it by 2, then you get 54. So that means the area of the trapezium is equal to 54 centimeters squared. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.